Hello guys, I'm Amir Hussein and I am fine and I hope you to be fine. First thing that I want to say is that I should apologize you guys because I promised you that I will post every night or every week 2 or 3 videos per week, but I couldn't and I can't or I won't can't because now I'm working with a company. I don't have that much free time to make them, but I promise you that I will don't leave you alone. I will make more interesting videos as I promised. Today I will show you how we can make those star trails effect. Just let me delete these. First we need a sky, something like this. Let me tell you that this picture is high resolution, is 4000 by 3000. I will give you this in the description link. There would be, you can download this for free. Now because of that my computer PC, as you know, it's a little bit lazy. I reduced the quality of the picture because it would do better. First thing that we should do is to extract these trees here because we don't want that effect to be applied on this. There is the simple way that I want to use is go to select color range and just sample this black color here. Just press OK. Now I will press Q or go to quick mask button here or press Q with the brush with 100% opacity. Just I want to paint black color here because I don't want this area to be selected. It is not very precise selection because it is not a client project, it is a video tutorial video. That's okay. Again I will press Q to unselect that and press Ctrl J to have a copy of that. Now you can see I have this tree in a separated layer. Now the main of those trail is to make a copy from this and put this into lighting blending mode. What is the lighting blending mode? The lighting blending mode is where select the compare these two layers together and select those those pixels which are more brighted. Now in this situation the stars are brighted. I'm not sure why they are firing gunfire. I'm not sure what is wrong with them. Oh, I think there's a fight there. Okay, and press Ctrl T and rotate it a little bit. Now you can see we have this star trails effect. Yeah, it would be too much for us to do it because it would be 60 or more than that layers. It would be very boring for us to that, and to avoid that wasting time we should use an action. I made a group and now I will make a action by the name of Star Trails. I'm not sure why they are firing gun. Now you can see the action is started automatically. Now we will select this layer, press Ctrl J to copy from this, put this into the lighting, press Ctrl T. Now in here choose a small amount of rotation, and before that I want to select anchor point here because what is anchor point before that? This is Photoshop 2019. We don't see this anchor point in the picture, but I'm holding Alt or Option key on a Mac and click every area that I want that anchor point would be good. Yep. Just let me stop the action. What's happened? Just stop that. No, just I forgot that. Just let me delete this. What is anchor point? Now if I press Ctrl T to rotate this and select an anchor point here, I'm holding Alt or Option key and select here. Now you can see if I rotate this, it will rotate to this point here, and if I choose some place like this and if I rotate this, it will rotate to that anchor point. Left, it's also for making a small and big for that. And that's okay. Now just let to go further and make the action here. Press a new action again, start trail, start star trails. Now I will press Ctrl J to have a copy of this, put this into lighting blending mode. Now you can see the last time that I choose, I select this layer. There is would be written selected area, a selected layer. Because of that, we should, after recording the action, we should delete this action that is written select area, because we don't want to select the layer, the first layer automatically. Now we should put this into lighting blending mode, which we did. Press Ctrl T to go to free transform and choose a small amount like 0.05, and again I want to make this a touch smaller. That would be really cool. I amount like 99.95. That would be cool. Now press OK. Now the action is finished. Now what is that we need is to apply the action as much as we want. I will go to around 50 or something like that. That would be cool for my picture. Now you can see this is the effect that we are applying. Now you can see the computer that my PC is too low for these renderings. Just let me make it more. It's processing. It's too weak. My PC is too weak. Now it's done. It depends on you how much trails that you want to have. And I didn't choose the anchor point, to any point that else. Because of that, I have the anchor points here. Just let me undo or delete them all to make another action to also have another anchor point. Now I'll go to window, action, make another action, press Ctrl J, put this into lighting. Where is lighting? Press Ctrl press Ctrl T, choose this anchor point, something here. Now the rotation would be like this, 0.05, and the size would be 99.95. That's cool. Yes, press OK. Now the action is finished, and repeat this. Now you can see the difference what would be happen. We will wait a little bit because the computer is too weak. Yeah, now you can see they are rotating to this anchor point that I had made. I will go to 29, which is 1 frame or 1 second, 29 frame or 1 second. Just select them all together, press Ctrl E to merge them all together. Now if I uncheck this layer, now you can see these stars will come on this tree, and this tree will be blurry. Because of that, we extracted the trees after we extracted trees to avoid those actions. I will make a copy of all layers by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E, and I have another merge layer. I will go to filter, camera raw filter, and to color correction some things on this. That would be a little bit more interesting. It depends on you. You can see this picture have lots of magenta tone on this, but I don't want to have magenta. I will make another thing like this. I will go to temperature and make this a lot bluish thing, and greenish, something like this. Open exposure a touch, contrast a little bit. It depends on you what you want to achieve. I want to do something like this. I want to have more texture, more clarity, and more dehaze. white balance and shadow saturation are not affecting on this picture because we don't have much colors. Now again I want to add vignette on this, black vignette, something like this. That's cool. I will go to split tuning, and in the highlights I want to be bluish tint, something like this, and the shadow I want to them to be green because the trees would be green. The saturation should be boost, something like this, but it's okay. Now just let this to be processed. Now you can see before and after what we did, before after, before after. That's cool. Just let me write my Holly name here. My name is Holly. Oh, why it's not coming? Oh, just skip this part of the video. Okay guys, I hope you that enjoyed this video. That would be useful for you guys and learn more tips, techniques, and other things that you should do. Just let me make it bigger and place it somewhere here. Now this is my holy name. Okay guys, if you have any question, just feel free or ask me, send me an email, leave a comment on YouTube, go to my Instagram account, you can send me a message there. I will answer you quickly as possible as I can. I'm not sure is it correct or no. Okay guys, see you on the next video.